Hello students, hope you all are fine. This is your science teacher Miss Unica. Today we are going to start unit number 9 and the name of the chapter is Elements, Compounds and Mixtures, and this is present on page number 118. Today we will discuss from page number 118 to 120. First of all, we will discuss about elements, okay, and to know about element, you should first of all need to know about pure substances. A sample of matter that has definite chemical and physical properties are known as pure substance. Students, any atom which has definite chemical and physical properties is known as pure substance. For example, its chemical and physical properties will never change. An element is a substance having definite chemical and physical properties. So, element is the example of pure substance, and after that from this element we get atoms, molecules and compounds. What did I say? A sample of matter that has definite chemical and physical properties is known as element, or after that from this element we get atoms, molecules and compounds. If you see in your book on page number 118, so you will see the different example of elements. So let us see first of all definition of element. Pure substance that cannot be separated into simpler substance by physical or chemical means. It means, as I told you, that the example of pure substance is element. So what is pure substance? Element is a pure substance. It is already very simple, so we can't make it more simpler. Okay, we can say that an element is a chemical substance that cannot be broken down into anything simpler. This is because it is made up of only one type of atom. For example, here you can see this is carbon. For example, carbon is an element because it is made up of only one type of atoms. And students, about 90 elements have been found in the nature. The others have been created by scientists, and these are some of the natural elements. Okay, and you know each name is followed by the chemical symbol, and this is, you can see the type of chart, the picture of the type of chart, and this chart is known as actually table. And because in this table we have different elements, okay, so that is why this table is known as the periodic table of the elements. Now, if you see on page number 119, you will see the definition of element and different diagrams with diagrams of elements with their names and symbols. Okay, and you will see sulfur. Okay, this is sulfur, and mercury you will see in your book. The symbol of mercury is Hg and the symbol of sulfur is S. Okay, and iron, the symbol of iron is Fe here. This is iron, and silver, this is silver, the symbol of silver is Ag. And on page number 120 you will see magnesium. Here you can see magnesium, symbol of magnesium is Mg. This is iodine, the symbol of iodine is I. Carbon, I told you the symbol of carbon is C, and zinc. the symbol of zinc is Zn. Bromine, the symbol of bromine is Br. And copper, the symbol of copper is Cu. These all elements are present in your book. You can see in your book they are present from page number 119 to 120. You can see their diagrams, their names and their symbols. Okay, so what did we discuss? An element is a pure substance that cannot be separated into simpler substances by physical or chemical means, because it is already very simple. So no matter what kind of physical or chemical change you attempt, an element cannot be changed into simpler substance because it is already very simple. All elements are made up of one type of atom. Pure substance is a substance in which there is only one type of particle. And what is element? Elements are pure substances. So each element only contain one type of particles of element. Example, for example, if we have 5 gram of gold, so each atom of this gold will have same properties, and in this 5 gram gold, we have same particles, same element. Every particle in a 5 gram nugget of the element gold is like every other particle gold. They all are same. Let's discuss their properties. Each element can be identified by its properties. As I told you, as I showed you in the periodic table, sulfur has its on different properties, mercury has different properties, iron has different properties. If we talk about silver, magnesium, iodine, they all have their own different properties. Carbon, zinc, bromine, copper, they all have their different properties. Here there are more examples with their elements and symbols. Boron, you can see the symbol of boron. This is the symbol of boron and this is the name. And boron is an element, and we use boron in sports equipment. And carbon, basis of life's molecule. Protein in nitrogen, this is the symbol of nitrogen. Okay, so by nitrogen we get protein, and oxygen is present in the air. Fluorine is present in toothpaste, and neon, we use in advertising science board. And there are so many other examples I have mentioned here with their examples, and where can we use and from where we can gain all of them. Okay class, hope you understand this lecture. Please kindly read from page number 118 to 120 and solve question answer on 119. And if you have any question, you can ask me from 8 to 2 on school timing. Okay, take very care of you.